What's going on, guys? Today we have another unboxing video. In today's video we have, or what we're going to be unboxing is the MBA, and that's an M. Switch 2019 Lite Blade 2 V2 Black, which is made in China. So it comes in this kind of like translucent, pretty cool looking box. So, oops, let's open it, I guess. And I have my Switch Lite right here, so yeah. It's just the normal gray one with a couple of red thumbsticks. Is it better with or without the light? I can't really tell. I think actually it's better without it because it's kind of a glare. Yeah, but let's open this thing up. Oh wow. This actually comes in a really nice box. It's not like cardboard or anything, it's actual plastic, so let's check it out. It comes in a really nice box, surprisingly. Close this. There's a little tab right here. If I can get it out. Oh gosh. Wow, that is really in there. There we go. Okay. Got that. I think this was $17, I think. So it was kind of expensive. So it's nice to see that, you know, they actually gave you a nice box. Let's see if it's worth the money. So in the box is the installation guide, a little thank you note from the brand Mumba. Get that to focus. My friends to yours. So Mumba apparently keeps this, or not keeps it, makes it, and it says keep it in your wallet. Something I'm not gonna do. All right, here's the case itself. Let's pull it out. Oh, wow. Jeez. Thing is crazy looking. It's very, very rugged, very, yeah, you can tell it's really durable. It's got this, it's like a kind of soft, maybe almost rubbery plastic. See, it's definitely flexible, but, and it's got a clear backing. Really, really, really cool design. Let's see this. Oh wow. You literally, yeah, I don't understand why they really needed an installation card. But okay. Let's do it. Okay, gosh. Oh my gosh. That's what it looks like from the front and the back. Jeez. That looks crazy. That looks sick from the back. It really does. Like, if you look up here, there's a lot of different, like, crazy, like, mechanical patterns all over this thing. Really, really cool. Let's see. So it has new kind of mesh. Not mesh, what did I say mesh for? Kind of like rubbery buttons on it for the volume and stuff. I was just playing Namco Museum Archives Volume 1, which is an amazing deal, by the way. You should definitely go pick that up if you haven't. It's brand new. So, yeah, this looks really, really cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Definitely worth the money. And there's different colors too. I'm pretty sure you can get it to match the color of your Switch, because obviously I wrote Switch Lite because I have a gray one, so of course I got the grayish, blackish one. You can get, I'm pretty sure you can get a yellow, the coral, or that like pinkish one, the turquoise, and I think there's a clear one too, just like an all clear. So I would definitely recommend this. So there you go, the Mumba or Mumba Switch Lite rugged hybrid protective case. There you go, pretty cool looking. I'll see you guys later.